Turning now to national news, President Trump's former campaign chairman, Paul Manafort, now has an additional 3.5 years added to his prison sentence. A federal judge added the extra time from a conspiracy conviction to the 4-year sentence he received in another case. Mola Lange has the story from the courthouse in Washington, D.C.
Manafort has been sentenced to 73 months in prison after pleading guilty to 2 conspiracy charges.
Very sad day for such a callous, harsh sentence that is totally unnecessary.
Federal Judge Amy Berman Jackson noted that Manafort consistently gave false testimony about his interactions with a Russian political consultant with ties to Russian intelligence agencies. From a wheelchair in court, the 69-year-old apologized for his crimes, saying, "I am sorry for what I have done." And he asked for compassion from the judge for his wife's sake, adding, "She needs me, and I need her." But Judge Jackson said leniency wasn't warranted and that Manafort's lies cannot be ignored, adding, "Court is one of those places where facts still matter." 30 months of today's sentence will run concurrent to the 47 months he was sentenced to last week on bank and tax fraud charges. He now faces a total of about 7.5 years in prison. Manafort's legal problems are still growing. Within minutes of his sentencing, a district attorney in Manhattan announced new charges against him in New York. Manafort has been indicted on mortgage fraud, conspiracy, and other state charges. If convicted, those crimes are not eligible for a presidential pardon, something President Trump could grant for the federal charges.
Will you pardon Paul Manafort?
I have not even given it a thought as of this moment. It's not something that's right now on my mind. I do feel badly for Paul Manafort.
None of Manafort's crimes are related to work he did on President Trump's 2016 presidential election campaign.
Manafort has received 90 months of jail time and will get credit for the 9 months he's already served. Judge Amy Berman Jackson says Russian collusion was not presented in Manafort's case and therefore not resolved by it one way or the other.